What's up, everyone? Movie Mania Nick here, and no, this is not a movie review. This is actually a food tasting video. I'm gonna try this out, and I better hurry up and eat this quick because it's melting. I'm at my local McDonald's, and I got one of those Grandma's McFlurries. It just came out. It's a limited time offer, so here it is. I don't know if you can see this. It's melting. I don't want to tip it over on myself. It's vanilla ice cream. Looks like it's got cookie dough pieces or caramel. It's with caramel in it or something like that. I have no idea. Yeah, it's got cookie pieces, crunchy pieces in it, a little bit of caramel, vanilla ice cream. It's actually not that bad. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, it's very good. It is very sweet, so if you don't like sweet stuff, it's probably not going to be meant for you. Yeah, it's a very sweet dessert. I highly recommend it. Check it out. Try it. See if you like it or not. If you do, if you don't, put in the comments below. Here it is. Grandma's McFlurry from McDonald's.